Welcome to Manitoga, the Russel Wright Design Center. I'm Allison Cross, the Executive Director, and I can't wait to show you around. In 1942, Russel and Mary Wright purchased 75 acres of what was an abandoned logging and quarry site. Over the next 34 years, he transformed it into a place of astounding beauty, including miles of hiking trails, his home, and studio. Russel Wright was a leading industrial designer in mid-century. He is often credited with introducing modernism to America. He built his home and studio, Dragon Rock, from 1957 to 1961. The principles of modernism were softened by nature. The entry into the studio, the knob itself is a stone. 3 of the walls are windows, and as we look out, it's a worm's eye view, so we're cradled by nature and the landscape beyond. So the principal room is divided into 3 areas. The work area, 2 sofas, which was a gathering area for socialization, and then his sleeping area, which is divided simply by an open shelving unit. And you can see a couple pieces of furniture designed by Russel Wright in the studio. We have the round Lazy Susan in the gathering area, and then the bedside table, and it is of blonde wood, which of course was a modernist approach to wood furniture. Here we're under the pergola that connects the studio to the main house. Beyond the quarry pool, you can see Dragon Rock. When Russel Wright's daughter Annie was a little girl, she thought that the rock looked like a dragon drinking water from the quarry. So in the main house, Wright continues the principles of modernism. So one of the first things you notice upon entering the space is this wall of windows. In fact, he incorporated the sliding glass doors full wall height to connect inside to outside. In the living area, he continues the interplay of the newest materials with natural materials. So the sofa was built specifically for the space, looking at the fireplace and also to the exterior. The stone floor patterning continues to outside. There's modern poured resin floor, so that juxtaposition of the newest materials with nature. The staircase, made again of granite, leads down below to the kitchen dining area. The table is set with his dinnerware, American Modern, which made him very famous in the late 30s, early 40s. The main vertical support of both spaces is a cedar log that Wright took from the property, so it introduces that element of nature. And then the family room above, very intimate space with a view to the waterfall, sofas for a study. It also served as a guest area, so that idea of multiple use of space. I hope you enjoyed the tour and a glimpse of Russel Wright's modernist home, and that you'll visit us at Manitoga in Garrison, New York.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?